Classroom. A classroom is filled with important tools and people, all working together to create a fun and engaging learning environment. Let's see 19 things we can find in the classroom. 1. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. 2. Students. S-T-U-D-E-N-T-S. Students. 3. Whiteboard. W-H-I-T-E-B-O-A-R-D. Whiteboard. 4. Markers. M-A-R-K-E-R-S. Markers. 5. Desks. D-E-S-K-S. Desks. 6. Chairs. C-H-A-I-R-S. Chairs. 7. Bookshelves. B-O-O-K-S-H-E-L-V-E-S. Bookshelves. 8. Textbooks. T-E-X-T-B-O-O-K-S. Textbooks. 9. Notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K. Notebooks. 10. Duster. D-U-S-T-E-R. Duster. 11. Clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. 12. Projector. P-R-O-J-E-C-T-O-R. Projector. 13. Maps. M-A-P-S. Maps. 14. Posters. P-O-S-T-E-R-S. Posters. 15. Ruler. R-U-L-E-R. Ruler. 16. Globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. 17. Computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. 18. Bulletin board. B-U-L-L-E-T-I-N-B-O-A-R-D. Bulletin board. With these tools and people, the classroom becomes a space for creativity, growth, and endless learning opportunities. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.